posted in a long time. But I was trying a new thing, and I was making a house right here of bricks, but it fell. Yeah, that happened a while back. But I'm gonna go show my garage real quick. So, I had a race a while back, and well, actually like a week ago. This is my brother's bike. I raced that bike right there. That one. My brother raced that. It's his 110. Here's a CR 250R. There's a 125, I'm pretty sure. And then a three-wheeler, another 110. My CR50R, 2003. Currently it does not run. I do not know why. But yeah. So please like. Bye.